Sour beers. Modern sour beers have gained considerable popularity in recent years. Characterized by their distinctive tartness and acidity, these beers owe their unique flavors to specific brewing methods and fermentation processes. Unlike traditional beers, which focus on the balance of hops and malt, sour beers use a wild or intentionally introduced bacteria or yeast strain, resulting in a complex and varied flavor profile. The brewing of modern sour beers often involves a process known as a mixed fermentation. This process combines traditional brewer's yeast with wild yeasts like Brettanomyces and bacteria like Lactobacillus and Pediococcus. These microorganisms contribute to the beer's sourness and create a range of funky, fruity, earthy flavors. Some beers are aged in wood, and this can impart additional layers of flavor like oak, vanilla, or wine. Strange that in our day, when we were trained as brewers, we were taught to be paranoid about cleanliness to keep bacteria out, and modern brewers are now introducing the very same bacteria to make sour beers. Some brewers use the kettle sour method, which entails the inoculation of the wort in the kettle with Lactobacillus, where souring takes place overnight in the wort, and the next morning they reheat the wort to boil to kill off the bacteria prior to cooling and fermentation. This saves the spread of bacteria into other brews using the same fermentation vessels. The flavors of modern sour beers can be exceptionally diverse, ranging from lightly tart and refreshing to deeply sour and complex. Fruit additions are common, with raspberries, cherries, peaches, and other fruits frequently used to enhance the beer's natural acidity and add sweetness or additional tartness. Herbs and spices are often used as well. Sour beers often fall into several styles. Berliner Weiss, which is a typically light and refreshingly tart wheat beer, often served with flavoured syrups to enhance or balance the sourness. Gose, which is a famous old sour beer, slightly salty, traditionally includes coriander and salt, adding a unique twist to its flavour profile. Flanders Red, on the other hand, showcases a more pronounced acidity and dark fruit and oak undertones, often resulting from extended barrel aging. Modern sour beers represent a creative and experimental approach to brewing, offering beer enthusiasts a wide range of unique and complex flavours that challenge and expand the traditional palette of flavours. Strange how we used to throw those sour beers down the drain because they were considered bad, where we could have used a bit of marketing and sold them.